Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to restore the color on the old monk dolls which I had. These are the outcome. I had these old monk dolls which had worn out in color. So I'm going to recolor this but in a different technique. This technique you will love it definitely. Just check it out. I'm going to first apply a black color to the center one and red color to the side ones. This is the acrylic color which I am using. You can use any color of your choice and any company of your choice. Now I am taking the gold paint. You can take even gold powder and just smearing it on top once the black one is dried. This is called dry brush technique. You can use a brush to do this as well. See how beautiful it looks. Looks very different, right? It looks like very new. So the red ones also I did the same technique. See how they look. You can restore any doll in your home which is of any material. Apply a coat of varnish on top. If you like our channel content, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.